Hello everyone, and welcome to Yum Yum Kitchen.
This kitchen is a magical place. It's filled with yummy food and fun. The walls are made of cookies. The floor is a giant checkerboard of cheese and crackers. Look, there's a rainbow slide going right into a pot of chocolate pudding. And over there is a bouncy house made of juice boxes. This kitchen is the best place to play. Now, let's meet our friend Sprinkle. Sprinkle is a donut. She is round and sugary. She has bright rainbow sprinkles. When Sprinkle is happy, her sprinkles sparkle. Let's all say hello to Sprinkle. Hi, Sprinkle. Wow, look at those sprinkles sparkle. Sprinkle is so happy to see all of you. She loves making new friends. Now let's meet Mr. Broccoli. He is a wise old stalk of broccoli. He loves to teach everyone about healthy food.
Welcome to Yum Yum Kitchen, little ones. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. They make you strong and healthy.
Oh no, what's wrong? The ice cream cone is melting. He's dripping everywhere. We need to help him.
Don't worry, says Sprinkle. We'll save you.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sparkle. She has an idea. Let's get him to the freezer.